Wow.
Look at that.
That looks so good.
So I'm taking this off. I just added it in first, like this, just to turn it into a dryer alone. So now I'm taking them off. The comb, you slide it, but you gotta make sure you're putting it in the right direction. There we go. And you would know because this part is at the end. And if they're flat, kind of like that. Yeah. And the comb is in there. So you know how usually you would have to have the foam symbol down with it? That's what the inner side comb is for. Right here. See the comb? Uh-huh. So now you don't have to have that second comb to hold in your other hand. Doing it all at the same time. She's ready for styling. This side's a little bit more wet, so I want to try it on a little water just to really show. Look at that. Wow. On the dry now. So dry takes the air off, and now it's just the comb. Let's see when it goes down again. Okay. So that's all heat. So we're gonna take this guy out. The comb. Is it hot? No, it's not hot to touch. Oh, that's good. Great. You're gonna put the blow dryer in. Just follow the arrow. Stick it in. And now it's less air. Take it back out. We can add back in our comb. Then just put on the heat. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the hair. Look at that.
It seems like it gets really hot.
It does. Now that I'm getting used to it, I'm like, okay.
Okay, this part is still a little damp, so I gotta get her back blow dried a little bit. Take this part off. Come back. I'm impressed.
Would you say it's more effective than the Flex Fusion?
Yes.
For this type of hair, I guess.
Yeah, for this type of hair for sure. Alright, so I'm gonna dry this part. I like to dry first. Even though you could do it at the same time, like we just saw. But I like to dry first. I would never want a Salon like this, hold it like a blow dryer like this. That's so cool. Alright, now I'm just gonna take it out, change my guard up. You're becoming natural. I know. Okay, now we got our guard on. We're gonna switch her back to just the heat. Yeah. I'm stirring the gloss in the Shark.
Yeah, I didn't even photo this.
There.
Shine looks really good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
That looks so good.
You think you could do this at home for you? No. Well, that's what you're looking for. A tool that could give it to you in one pass. You don't have to damage your hair. Get it nice and straight.
just gonna get another little piece and we're gonna dry her up even bit. How long does it usually take to straighten the hair? Depends. It could take you maybe 30 minutes to an hour. It depends on how much hair you're working with. But having everything in one tool helps, you know? Helps for sure. Especially when you get used to it, you will be even faster. The shine that's coming off on her hair, the sheen is crazy. Now, if you're left-handed, will this still work? It will. Okay. Yeah, because I mean the plates is the same on both sides. Okay. So even if you're doing it like this, which that's so cool. Okay. They said the lefties in the game too, but yeah, it does the same thing. Okay. The only thing is the comb stays on this side, but that should make a difference.